Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Teresa. Today's video, I'm going to show you some cute little spring projects that we can work on. And I'm also collaborating with 4 other great YouTube creators. We're calling this special collaboration the Alabama Fab 5 because we are all from Alabama. So I hope y'all get lots of inspiration, and throughout the video I'll give you more info on how you can be eligible to win a $50 Amazon gift card. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it, and also go over and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. Okay, project number 1 is going to be a little birdhouse. My challenge item from Charmin over at Fixin' To was craft sticks. Now you can pick these up at Dollar Tree, but building a little birdhouse just like building a regular house. You need to build your house in stages. And first I made the base or the foundation, and I used 11 popsicle sticks, and then I glued 2 to the sides to secure them. I started out using wood glue, but then I switched over to hot glue later on. So 11 popsicle sticks and 2 for the sides for the base. Once I got the base made, then I'm going to start constructing the walls. And the front will only have 4 popsicle sticks, and the other 3 walls will have 5. Okay, to assemble the roof, I did 2 panels of 13 popsicle sticks with 2 glued to the sides. Now, before we can assemble the walls onto the base, we needed something to attach them to. So I got some jingle blocks. So I'm going to use 4 jingle blocks, and I'm going to hot glue 1 in each corner. Now, like on any project, most of the time 4 hands are better than 2. I'm bringing Ben along on this because I felt like I could get better footage for y'all if I'm up close with the camera. So I'm going to video him versus putting the camera up on the tripod. I feel like you wouldn't be able to see it with my hands being in the way. So basically he just went in, he hot glued the front on first, then he'll attach the sides and the back. Here's what it's looking like so far. Now, with using just a little bit of hot glue, we're going to secure the tops of the walls together in the corners. Now he's going to put on the other side. Now we're going to attach the back. I'm going to show you the lineup for today's Alabama Fab 5. We got some great YouTube creators. To be eligible for the $50 gift card, you will need to go to each channel and watch each of our videos and comment on each one. We will announce the winner next Wednesday on February the 17th. Now, back to the little birdhouse. We were each given a challenge item to use, and like I mentioned, Charmin from Fixin' To challenged me to use craft sticks. Okay, here's what it looks like now that we've got the walls attached to the base, and now we're going to go in and we're going to attach the roof. And to attach the roof, we really needed 4 hands because you want to put the roof on at an angle, and that's kind of hard when you don't have, a lot to glue to. So the best way that we found out is, and again, here's the roof, 13 popsicle sticks with 2 to the sides. Ben is going to hold it at the angle onto the house, and then I'm just going to take some hot glue, and we're going to just put a couple of dabs in at each end. And that way you will get, some structure to it, and it'll kind of hold together. And once we did that, it held up really well, and then we just went in those little corners on the inside and applied a little bit more hot glue for it to adhere a little bit better. Now here's our cute little birdhouse. I went in with a couple of more popsicle sticks, and I applied them to the angles on the roof, and I also put one across the top of the roof, but that's totally optional, and you'll see that in just a minute. And I spray painted mine with a primer, white primer, and then I went over it with chalk paint. I lose my breath whenever I see you. so many options of how you can decorate and embellish this little house. I added some little pearls to the bottom to give it some feet, and I also am going to show you just different ways you can embellish it. You can, stain it. You can paint it any color you want to. So the sky's the limit on this, and it's so much fun once you get it made of how you can decorate it and embellish it. If you like this video so far, I hope you'll hit that like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to. Now I owned a project number 2. Now I'm going to take some printables. I paid for these. These are from an Etsy shop called Creative Belle. These were $2.97. And again, you pay for them, and then they come in your email. You can download them on your computer, and you can print them out as many times as you want to. But I love the design of these. I took some things that I had on hand, and I took them outside, and I spray painted all of them white. I'm not going to use the little buckets on this project. I will use them on an upcoming project, but I decided I like the texture of the cans, so I'm going to stick with just some cans. These were vegetable cans. I think some beans or something came in them, and I just washed them out. They were going to go in the trash. So I cut my printables, and I'm just going to apply Mod Podge to the back. I'm going to apply them to my can, and then I'm going to work it into those little grooves of the can, which I think adds so much detail. And I'm going to use a pencil. I've used tips of my paintbrush before, but just anything that you can, use, just get it down in those little grooves really good. And I'm going to stage it, and I'm going to show you a coffee can that I spray painted white, and I put one on a coffee can. And I think these make a great addition when you add flowers to them for your spring decor. Okay, I own a project 3, and I'm going to show you how we can stage those little cans. But first, I had this tray that I got in a thrift store haul. I'm going to spray paint it white. I think this would be a great addition for my little cans. I think this would make a great display for them. So I'm going to just let y'all see all the, get some inspiration on things that you may have on hand, or when you're in the thrift store, things you can look for. I think this tray cost me $1. So $1 tray and some cans I was going to throw in the trash. And now I've got a really cute vignette for spring. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. And now the project 4, y'all. I'm going to get some more printables, and I got these from an Etsy store. Y'all, you get 8x10s, and the price of these were $3.12, and she also threw in some free ones for me. So I'm going to link all these little Etsy shops down in my description box. So if you're interested in going out and getting these, you can find the links down there. But I'm going to take one of the 8. I'm going to do 2 of the printables that I printed out, and I'm going to take 2 of these little Easter eggs. I think I got these at Dollar General last year. Of course, you can see it seen on the back. They were $1. And the first one, I thought I would need to take the graphic off. I was afraid it might bleed through on my printable, but it did not. On the second one, I didn't remove it, and it did fine. So you don't really have to do this part, but just apply Mod Podge to it, and then I'm going to add my printable down on it, and then I'm going to press out all my air bubbles and get it worked into those 2 little grooves that's on the egg. And I think those little grooves on the egg just really add that little rustic touch. And I also removed the little wire hanger, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how I did that. It was very easy to remove it, and then once you get your printable on and it's finished, it's very easy to go back and put that little wire hanger back in those little holes. You just punch through the paper and it went back on really easy. And I just cut around it and, just gave it that smooth edge. And I did not go back over it with Mod Podge, but you absolutely could if you wanted to. So here's the one that I'm not going to peel the front off, but here I am taking the little metal hanger out, and I just use a little pair of, clippers. You can use some, some pliers, and just work that little metal hanger off. And I love the little metal hanger because it adds such a little rustic touch to it. And then again, just add your Mod Podge all over the egg, and then I'll apply my printable and work out, just smooth it out really good and work it down on there. And then I'm going to cut around the edges on this one. I'm going to add a couple little bows to these, and I think these turned out really cute.
Life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
I really hope y'all enjoyed the video today, and don't forget to go down. There's going to be 2 links in my description box. One to go to the video of Charmin over at Fixin' 2 that challenged me with the craft sticks, and also I'm going to leave a link to May Made It because I challenged her with a challenge item. So make sure to go over and watch those 2 videos and see how they use their challenge items. And also don't forget, to be eligible for the Amazon $50 gift card, you need to watch all 5 videos, comment on each one. I will have the rules down in my description box. And I want to give a big thank you to Trish and Kay at the Crafting Cousins for putting on this collaboration with the Alabama Fab 5. So as always, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I really appreciate y'all for coming on. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on Saturday in my next video.